found an editing app that gives premium features for just 2,000 naira. And I know it sounds fake, but stay with me. By the end of this video, I'll show you a feature so mind-blowing, literally make me question why we ever settled for CapCut. CapCut used to be the go-to editing app for every video editor, but nowadays CapCut is acting shady with their new terms of service and making almost every feature in the app pro, even high quality uploads. So in this video, I'm going to put you up to a new editing app that is 10 times better than CapCut. Almost all of the pro features are available on CapCut for free and offline. The popular KineMaster that we know to edit specifically long form content, which is YouTube videos and every other thing, came out with a new Spring app. And this app, I think this app came out last year, I think 10 to 11 months ago. I don't know specifically when, but it came out last year. And I don't think it's really popular yet, because what really baffles me about the app is that a lot of people don't know about it. In fact, not that a lot of, but if a lot of people know about it and are actively using it, they wouldn't be so jazzed about CapCut doing a lot of shady stuff like updating their terms and service to have rights to your content forever, or making almost every feature in the app pro. So CapCut is basically just a pro app. So I feel like a lot of people are not aware of this app that has come out, and so I decided to try for myself because I had a lot of raw long form footages to edit. So I exported one of my long form content into the Spring app 16.9, and I edited it. I generated captions, I split it, you know, just the basic editing that we usually do on CapCut. And I'm talking the long form content, generated captions and everything, and I exported this video. I know what's the best thing about this app is that you can export the video in any freaking quality that you want. The downside to this, of course, is that it's going to hold more space, but you are going to get the quality that you are looking for. It doesn't affect your quality. It doesn't affect your quality in any way like I feel like CapCut app does. This app doesn't affect your quality in any way. And so I want to confirm here that the Spring app is not only capable of editing short form content, but can also edit long form content. So let's get into it. Hello, it's your digital introvert and welcome to another session. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you all that you need to know about the new Spring app. Now, stay till the end for a few mind-blowing features that I'm going to tell you, because among these features, there's one that outdoes CapCut by every standard. Because yes, I agree with you, CapCut is king. For those of you that still want to argue, for those of you that are holding on to CapCut, I agree that CapCut is king, yes. But this particular feature I'm about to tell you outdoes CapCut by every standard and literally makes life easier for every single video editor. So still to the end to hear this feature. Now, most of you might be thinking that this video is sponsored, but no, it is absolutely not. I mean, I'm an upcoming YouTuber and I don't have any sponsors yet, so obviously this video is not sponsored by anybody. What I aim to do in this YouTube channel and what I aim to do in my channel is to help other video editors like myself, because most of everything that I learn about video editing comes from YouTube. Here are some of the top-notch features that the Spring app offers, and I'm talking pro features for free. Pro features for free, and the last one I'm going to tell you is going to absolutely blow your mind away. Stay tuned for another video. I am going to post a full tutorial on how to edit on the Spring app. You are absolutely going to love it because it's going to be very understandable. If you love this video, check out my channel for other tutorial videos. You're absolutely going to love it. I teach how to make thumbnails, edit videos on Canva, especially using free features. Over here we do free features, we don't do pro. So I feel like that's the perk that a lot of people are going to benefit from. So thank you for staying this long. Bye.